Magic Cover. If she only had Magic Cover, none of this would be happening. With Magic Cover, ironing becomes a safe, enjoyable experience. More durable than any other cover and is two-sided. Magic Cover won't burn or crumble and is waterproof. Magic Cover is 3 times thicker than any other cover, making buttons and zippers sink into cover and guarantees smooth and quick ironing. With the unique non-slip technology, Magic Cover keeps the iron from slipping and keeps the whole family safe. Thanks to the unique heat emission patent, Magic Cover makes ironing shorter in half the time, saving time and energy. Magic Cover for just $39.95 plus shipping and handling. Magic Cover can be yours. Call now, 1-800-297-1549.